The Larson Electronics IND TBL BXR1 UVC 3X9W120V is a UV disinfection box which can kill 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores found on tools, equipment, and work devices. With access to 3 UV lamps, this unit offers UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers. This disinfection box holds up to 8 tablets or phones at once and comes with a timer. This device is a powerful sanitation solution for industrial sites and commercial facilities. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. Inside the box, the UV system offers 360 degrees of coverage. With a recommended 25-minute exposure time at full capacity, multiple devices can be purchased to clean several tablets or phone at the same time. Single tablets can be cleaned in as little as 2 minutes, whereas a single phone can be cleaned in 1 minute. Operators may access a timer on the box to ensure the recommended duration of exposure is met every session. Individuals may leave their electronics and personal devices inside the box. After exposure, the devices can be used again immediately. This UV sanitation box is ideal for retail spaces, lobbies, commercial locations, industrial parks, schools, public transportation hubs, airports, office buildings, medical centers, and more. How to operate. Plug the unit into 120 volts. The indicator light will blink. Open the latches and place the items inside the box. Never touch the bulbs. Close the unit and press start. The unit will disinfect for the set time. Opening the door will stop the UV light and pause the disinfection process. The disinfection process will continue once the door is closed. To reset the unit, simply unplug and replug it. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have 2 benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.